honest rusted in front of me. Like a book I can't put down, spin me around. And if you knew all of the answers, I'd take a chance on you. If we wrote down all of the questions, I'd learn a lesson from you. But if only you knew, if only you knew, I thought the spell would fade. All the mistakes we've made, all of the things I've seen, the grass isn't always green. The sun never sets on us, so don't put your bets on us. 'Cause I've seen a crack or two, big enough to fall through. Like a song I can't forget, when I haven't even heard it yet. If you knew all of the answers, I'd take a chance on you. If we wrote down all of the questions, I'd learn a lesson from you. If only you knew, if only you knew. When we get to the tiebreaker, do we do any not make a bad decision even though we try? Don't even know the reason why. But if you knew all of the answers, I'd take a chance on you. If we wrote down all of the questions, I'd learn a lesson from you. If only you knew, if only you knew. And if you knew all of the answers, I've fallen for you again and again and again and again. And I've broken every bone, my heart's on my sleeve. I want you to believe, as long as I wake up, still wearing that makeup, you'll know that I came home with you. While you were sleeping, I was watching you breathing, and I kissed you without you even knowing. But I've fallen for you again and again and again and again. And I've broken every bone. You really drive me, push me and revive me. You don't have to dress too fancy, 'cause there is still a chance he knows what's behind that mask you wear. So let's have one more drink, maybe it'll give us time to think about where we want to take it all from here. 'Cause I keep on falling for you again and again and again and again. And I've broken every bone. You really drive me, push me and revive me. You again and 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 again. hold out somebody better. I'm not the one you need. Someday there will be someone you can hold on to. It's not that I don't believe in love at first sight. Know that I've got to leave before it's time to say goodnight. If I'm really the one for you, we'll meet again somewhere on this road. It's not that I don't believe in love. Wait for someone who can